So, the power of delayed gratification. This refers to the ability to resist immediate rewards for the sake of long term goals. And if you're new to trading or struggling with trading, read that first line a few times over and really know that I know you want to quit your job. I know you want to make full time income, right? I know you want to, whatever your goals are, right? Those are long term goals. And you need to realize those are long term goals. Those are not today, this week, this month goals. And it's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm just saying think of them as long term goals and focus on the craft now. Focus on your system now. Focus on executing now. Focus on not overtrading now. Focus on protecting your capital now. And those goals will come in the long term for you. You have to wait. Be patient for those right opportunities and don't just impulsively trade because you're at the charts and you don't want to waste this time, right? You're like, okay, I'm at the charts, I'm here, I'm going to trade. Well, slow down. Don't focus on placing a trade, focus on finding your strategy, your rule, your setups in the charts. And when the trade comes, you're just clicking a button. But all that hunt should be before making sure it checks this, checks this. Oh, didn't check that box. Okay, well, let's wait for the next one. Did it check this, check this, check this? Like I said, focus on the now, not the outcome, and you will have a greater outcome because you put all your effort into the now. And especially when this is the long term, you don't want to always now. Because one, this is going to burn you out. Two, you're going to make mistakes and you're going to end up taking losses more often and bigger losses than you should. And this is ultimately only going to delay those actual goals that you are trying to achieve by rushing. So it kind of feels backwards, slowing down and focusing on the process. But I promise you, if you do that, those goals come faster rather than you trying to get those goals now by just go. And then you're going to make mistakes. And that's going to delay those goals the more you keep making those mistakes over and over again. So to wrap it up, patience, self-discipline. It's not easy. I'm not saying this is easy. What I am saying, this is something you need to study, learn, and practice every single day. Not only in trading, but other things in life. And you're going to become a much better person. And you're going to see that your trading results are a lot better if you're journaling and keeping track of your data, right? Then you'll have that proof for yourself that when I do this, this can happen, but I need to follow my system.